The Scottish Rite, as it's known today, was established in 1801 in Charleston, South Carolina, with John Mitchell serving as its first Grand Commander. Like craft masonry before it, which took on its modern form in 1717, the Scottish Rite drew upon earlier forms and practices, including the Order of the Royal Secret, which was the immediate predecessor of the Rite. Between 1813 and 1815, a second Supreme Council was organized in the North to counter a clandestine Supreme Council that had been created by French Mason Joseph Sinew in New York. In 1827, a territorial agreement was reached between the northern and southern jurisdictions, designating the 15 states north of the Mason-Dixon line and east of the Mississippi River as the boundary line between the two jurisdictions. In 1911, construction began on a new headquarters building located at 1733 16th Street Northwest in Washington, D.C. The architect, John Russell Pope, was also designer of the National Archives and the Jefferson Memorial. In 1915, the House of the Temple was completed and has served as the headquarters of the Supreme Council Southern Jurisdiction ever since.